In this video, we're going to recreate this stone shape using the Freehand tool. So the first thing that I'll do is I will grab the Freehand tool and click down here in the bottom left-hand corner of the joint and click again on the bottom right-hand corner. And that way I can shift select the picture and run auto size. I'm not going to do a size. I'm going to not delete the original. All I want to do is straighten along the horizontal and click apply. That way I know that the bottom is straight across. Now if I come back to what I had already drawn with the Freehand tool, I'll just click again at that node. And every time that I see somewhere that the angle changes, I'm going to double click. And that way it will continue my line. And I'll come right back here. As soon as I get to the end, it'll change the icon to that little join icon, which means that I'm ending and it will be a closed object. If I want to, I can make the original a little bit more transparent so that I can see what I'm working on. And now I want to take the shape that I drew. I'll hit Control A to select all the nodes and I'll convert them to curves. And then I will just drag these curves in to fit that curve there. This one curves in both directions, so if I bend it this way, then I can grab here and bend it this way, and I can keep bending both of them, or I can just click on the node and adjust the handles that way. Then I would fill it in with polish. I'd right click to get rid of the outline. And then I could resize it to whatever size it was. Let's say 48 inches by 30 inches. And now we've got the shape of our stone.